What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Batista 4 YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be giving Ava a little surprise. You know her birthday's on Christmas, and you know we do it big on Christmas. So, tune in. Ava, you excited?
So we're here, guys. This is Ava's surprise.
You're cold? Bundle up! Yeah, we're gonna go inside there right now. Aaron, what's up, bro?
Put the foot back right, babe.
Ava, you're cold?
Say hi, Julie. You got your gloves? Hi, Gondo. He's about to start crying.
It's cold as hell out here. Hey, Ava. So who are you gonna see today?
Santa Claus and the reindeer.
Santa Claus and the reindeer? Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, are you good now? I'm excited. I think I'm more excited than her. Than this one.
Hey, Aaron, who are you gonna see? Huh? Who are you gonna see, bro? Huh?
He's like, what are you doing? Hey, Daddy, what are you doing? This place is called, let me get the name of it. It is called Donato's Magical Holiday Express. And they also have a drive-through. What?
What are you doing?
He's spitting at me. He's spitting at me.
Alright, so back to waiting in line, another line.
Huh? Oh.
Come on, baby. You gotta come over here. Oops, sorry.
Go ahead. Is that your wristband for the train ride, Princess?
Yeah.
And to meet Santa? Yay! I think I'm more excited than the kids, guys. Hi, Daddy.
Hey. You guys ready?
I'm ready. Guys, yeah, I got him here, hold him. Guys, this video is gonna be like short because I'm not gonna record much just to give people their privacy. I don't want them to say anything to me because they don't want to be in the video or be recorded. But yeah, we're excited. Ava, come here, mommy. She's so excited. Here, baby. You guys have your wristbands on?
Yeah.
So the guy at the front of the line will take your ticket as you get on the train.
Okay.
Just stay to the right, and that's the line for the train. Babe, look at it.
Oh, look how nice this is.
Wow. Are you excited? Jump.
Ava. Oh, we get on the train ride. Oh, we get the front row. Wow, we get the train, the first run. Ava! Ava, we get the first one. Hey guys, we're going on this train ride. Ready? Ooh, look how nice it is.
Come over here, Mama. She got scared.
Wow, Ava, you like it?
Yeah, best day ever.
Look, honey.
I know, it's beautiful. Wow. Wow, God.
She's so happy, guys. Wow.
It's beautiful. Hey, Papas! You having fun?
She thought she was gonna go to the beach.
The beach?
Yeah.
In the winter?
No, she thought we were gonna go on vacation.
Oh.
Wow, look at the falls in there.
Thank you, baby.
Oh, look at Mrs. Claus.
Oh, look at Mrs. Claus there. Look, Mrs. Claus is in there. Yeah, Santa Claus is in there. Look, there's a snowman in there. Wow, that's so nice.
You ready?
Oh. Bye. Ava, look, who's that? That's Mrs. Claus. You want to take a picture?
Take a picture. You want to take him or?
Sweet. Nice, thank you. Thank you so much. You too. Bye.
That was cool.
Yeah. Thanks. Wow, it's Frosty, eh? What's up, boss? Oh, no pound? I got no pound for me.
Yeah, I wish we could take a picture right here.
Where we going?
All right. Milk princess. You want it or no? No, you don't want it.
Yeah, sure. Every time I go to the store, Ava shops.
Yep. Look at the card in her hand. She's the ball.
Your total is $45.51.
Go ahead. Thank you.
Wow, Ava.
Hey, wow. What do you say?
Ava, why are you a shopaholic?
I don't know.
Wow, that's so nice, Ava. You're gonna go see Santa? Wow. Wow, Ava, look. It's Santa Claus. How cool this is. Look in a little room. Tell Santa when's your birthday, Eve?
Dump too?
Yeah, I can take it if you want to
Uh-oh. Record my phone. Oh, Aaron!
Hi.
Oh, thank you! Alright guys, so Daddy,
This is the race
you can take that off.
to the car.
Yeah.
Because I'm faster than Ava.
No.
Hold on. Hold on. Ready?
Mark. Hold on. Mark. Get set, go.
Who won? Who won? You won? Yay! So I do want to say that this place is awesome. You guys need to come. Bring your kids if you guys are from the New Jersey area. This is located in Hamilton, New Jersey. This little guy is just so cute. So yeah guys, I give this place a 5-star. You know what, I'll give it a 10-star. It was awesome. Everyone was so nice and it was just magical. All right guys, so this was a success guys. We loved it. Ava, did you like it? Was it a surprise? Did you expect to come here?
Crazy.
Did you expect to come here?
Yes.
Yeah?
He loved it.
He loves that little light. Look, Baba. Oh, wow. Hi. All right, guys. So once again, thanks for watching. I hope that you guys are enjoying all of our Vlogmas videos.
If you haven't yet, please
and
like, comment, and subscribe down below.
Yeah, guys. See you next video.